So I recently tried to merge two YouTube channels. It deleted all my subscribers and all my videos on my brand channel. So my secondary channel that has some kind of old stuff, it stayed on there, but I'm trying to figure out how to change that. The channel name stayed the same, and it just basically deleted everything and moved everything from the other channel. So all my ham radio content and stuff, it's just gone. Um, Probably like maybe 5 or 6 years worth of stuff on there. I mean, it's not like I've got a professional channel, but it kind of like pissed me off because it had how-to information and stuff, like on how to modify certain different radios. And so now I got to go look and see if I have all that still. And do I really want to sit here and upload all this content all over again? Um, so, of course, you can't get a hold of anybody on YouTube for nothing. They don't have a contact phone number. You can post a question and, go from there. But at any rate, I guess I'm going to have to start over. All my subscribers are gone. The subscribers from the other channel are on there under the new name. I really don't know what happened. My girlfriend's phone shows the account is deleted. My phone shows basically everything the same. So if anybody knows how to fix this, let me know. Like I said, I tried to merge two channels, and the CQDX is my brand channel. What it did was it deleted those videos, it deleted those subscribers, and it moved the other channel's videos and subscribers over into this name. So if anybody knows anything, hit me up.